just touched down. So what else do you do when you miss your flight? It's 1 a.m. and you're in Houston, Texas. You go to a Waffle House. El Salvador. In El Salvador, this is how you beat the heat on a plane. Newsflash, Costa Rica is humid. Whew. Just in. It's hot. Hello, fish friends. It's me, Troy, coming at you with another little update. You're probably wondering where I've been or what's going on. You never know where I am. I never know where I am. But right now I'm coming at you from Costa Rica, Central America, and there's howler monkeys in the trees right behind me. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on and let you know why I didn't finish up my whale week. There's still more whale week, but I wasn't able to post my last few videos because I lost Wi-Fi as soon as I got to Costa Rica. So when I get back to the States and get a little internet connection, I'll be sure to fill you guys in on what else is new. Until then, stay bubbly.